Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove a section from Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you created on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it, and then click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be here in your dashboard. So once you're here in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen, and then you're going to find all of these sections. And right here in the bottom, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to edit site. So go ahead and click on edit site, and then you will be redirected to this page right here. So basically guys, this page will be the editor for Wix websites. So once you're here in the editor, if you go to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize and redesign your site. So right now, in order to remove a section, it's pretty easy. Just go to the section you want to remove. For example, I'm going to go to this one, give it one click to select it, and then just click on the delete button on your keyboard. And as you can see, guys, it will be directly removed. If you want to undo this step, it's pretty easy. Click on Ctrl+Z, and then as you can see, guys, you will undo the deletion. If you want to delete it manually, select it, right click on it with your mouse, and then click on delete, and this will do the same thing. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.